Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to put pictures in shapes using Canva app. So let's get started. The process is almost identical on iPhone and Android device. First open Canva app on your mobile device. Now tap on plus icon at the bottom and choose the type of design you wish to create. Just for this video I will select Facebook post. On the next screen, you will find several templates. You can choose any of these or simply tap on three dots at the top to create a blank design. Now tap on Design and select the background color if needed. Again tap on plus icon at the bottom and on the bottom bar, tap on Elements option. Here you will find several items like shapes, frames, stickers, charts and many more. But we are going to use frames. So under frames, choose the shape as per your needs. I will select circular frame. Once you select the frame, tap on plus icon again. Now on the bottom bar, tap on camera roll option to select an image from your mobile gallery. Once you select an image, just drag that image over the frame that we added earlier. As you can see, the shape of the image is now same as the frame. Now you can select the frame and move it anywhere if needed. You can even resize the frame. At the bottom, you will get even other options like filters, crop, color adjustment and many more. Once done, tap on three dots at the top. Here you can enter the name for your design. Next, tap on download icon and image will start downloading. So that way you can put pictures in shapes using Canva app. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.